Houston phase 3439.
The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 8:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a tornado warning for San Mateo County in Northern California until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Broadmoor, or near Pacifica, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Pacifica around 8:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, El Grenade around 8:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Half Moon Bay around 8:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.